Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to open Roblox Studio on your Windows 11 PC but it just won't launch, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that actually works. Whether Roblox Studio crashes instantly or doesn't open at all, this quick guide should get you back to creating games in no time. So stick around till the end. You don't want to miss a step. Alright, let's jump straight into the fix. First, we're going to access the Roblox installation folders to manually relaunch or reinstall the correct version. Start by opening your start menu and typing run. When the run box appears, type this command, %appdata%, then hit enter. Now, once you're inside the appdata folder, go one step back and open the local folder instead. From there, find and open the Roblox folder. Inside the Roblox folder, open the versions folder. This is where all the different Roblox installations are stored. Next, sort the folders by date modified. This will show you the most recent Roblox version at the top. Open that latest folder. Now, look for a file named robloxplayerlauncher.exe. Double-click it and let it run. This helps refresh or reinstall the Roblox player if needed. Once that's done, go back to the versions folder again. This time, look for Roblox Studio Installer.exe. When you find it, right-click and choose Run as administrator. This step gives the installer full permission to reinstall Roblox Studio properly, which usually fixes the not opening issue. If you can't find the Roblox Studio installer in the latest version folder, don't panic. Just check the previous versions folder. It's often located there instead. Run it the same way as administrator and the installation should go through smoothly. Once the setup finishes, try launching Roblox Studio again. It should open without any issues this time. If it does, congrats, you just fixed Roblox Studio on Windows 11. And that's it. A super simple but effective way to get Roblox Studio working again on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more quick tech fixes like this. Drop a comment below if you ran into any other Roblox errors. I might cover them in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.